So my full name is Ben El-Baz. I run strategy over at Hashkey, focus mostly on Hashkey Pro. But at a high level, what Hashkey Group is, we're a collection of a number of different digital asset businesses. So we're focused specifically on digital assets. And that has a number of different lines. So one line is Hashkey Capital. So Hashkey Capital is a token VC fund, invests in early stage token projects, also invests in later stage token projects depending on the opportunity. Sometimes lead, but also will sometimes follow with other great investors. We also run Hashkey Pro, which is something I spend a lot of my time on. Hashkey Pro is more of an institutional grade digital asset exchange trading platform. We've been a bit low key and we haven't really hyped the platform. And the intent is really to be focused on professional investors and creating an institutional grade platform. So there's more news that we'll share on that over the next few months. We also run Hashkey Hub. So Hashkey Hub is a digital wallet app, but it's actually more than that. We kind of call it a wallet plus, because in addition to doing all the things like safely storing assets, being able to deposit assets, you can also do a lot of other cool things, like you can trade on a number of different exchanges through the wallet. You can also get access to a lot of different indices and prices from different exchanges, and you can also stake. You can use. We have a staking as a service platform called Hashkey, so you can also stake through the wallet app. The last product offering we have is Hashkey. So Hashkey is a staking as a service platform, really focused obviously on proof of stake networks. Very cool. Right now we're supporting, I think, up to 7 or 8 different networks and expanding that over time. But it's a very good way for you to earn a staking return on tokens that you own in different POS networks. So there's a lot of stuff happening. It's really cool. When you go to these events, you're always meeting new people and you're talking to a lot of people, so it's hard to be involved in all these different sessions. But you see a lot of the exhibitors and booths hanging out here. And I think one of the coolest things in this space in general is to see the continued development of the Lightning Network and all the peripheral ecosystem that's building around that. It's great to always see people interested in this space. Like when it's a bear market, obviously a lot of noise leaves the space. And I think for us, what we've just been doing over the past year plus is really just trying to go back to basics and focus, keep our heads down, focus on the products that we're building, and continue focusing on where we see and where we want the industry to go forward, right? Like we really believe that there is, true power in building disintermediated networks and all the tokens and currencies that go around that. So I think over the past year plus, we've just been going back to basics, focusing on the product. When everyone else was kind of laying off teams and trying to cut back, we were really trying to dig in and strengthen our core team. So that's what we've been doing. And what I think this renewed interest in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and blockchain in general is going to bring to Hashkey is it brings a lot more eyes on the space in general, which I think is good for the people who are actually creating real products and creating real projects and actually trying to make a difference in this space, right? And I think what's interesting and different this time around compared to last time around is I think the industry has matured, hopefully, and that there's less likelihood of scams and frauds and things like that. One thing I would say is that this space is continuing to evolve. So even though today, price is up, tomorrow could be go down. I think in general, you have to focus on the long term, and you have to really have confidence in where the industry is going, what the trends are in the internet. So I think my general take on this space is you have to take a long-term view on where things are going. Market pricing, market cap of things is important, but you have to really kind of understand what's driving, at a fundamental level, what's driving all the cool change in the space.